Here's 3 ways that you can make the most of a small floor plan from a developer's perspective. 20 squares and under edition. Tip number 1 is eliminate the guest living room. Now, rather than having 2 small living rooms, it's better to have 1 large living area. Now, if you have to have a guest living room, here's what I would do. I would add double doors to it and make that a bedroom. But with the double doors, you still have the option of using that as a guest living room if you want to. Tip number 2 is move the laundry. So you can make your laundry a European style laundry, or something a little bit more drastic is you can move your laundry into the garage. Now, what you're doing is you're saving a lot of this wasted space here. Tip number 3 is be efficient with your bedrooms. So other than your master bedrooms, your other bedrooms shouldn't be larger than 3 meters by 3.4. This gives you plenty of space to have a double bed, and you can easily access the robes with no issues.